This is the lab phases of the moon, and I acknowledge that it's apparently very hard to do in Alaska during the summer. The moon is out, but I'll show you why in just a moment. So what we can see here is that the sun is setting somewhere in the west or north of west, and as I zoom in here, we can see, of course, there's the moon, and there also happens to be Venus. But when I push the fast forward, we can see that the moon is probably going to set around the same time as the sun is, or really similar, which means it's going to be really close to the horizon before we're actually able to see what the phase is. And for a more full phase, that wouldn't be so much of a problem, but for trying to detect a crescent like this one here in against the background of the blue sky, I guess this is almost twilight here, is pretty tough. And as I said, it is really close to the horizon. Even 5 days later, I'm going to zoom forward here quite a bit. It will be really tough. So this is really fast forward, okay? Okay, I have to go a little bit back here. As you can see, we are in Anchorage here. Let's see, still a little bit further back. Okay, let's see, there's the sun, and the moon is over there, still very close to the horizon. So just above the southern horizon in this case. Here it's virtually half, it's almost gibbous, and that makes it hard. The reason behind that is that during the summer, the moon in its early phase, that means while it's waxing, is really close to the horizon because the ecliptic is really shallow from the west to the south as the sun is setting, and therefore it's really hard to obtain data. It gets a little bit better once the moon gets full and then into the waning phases, but I should come up here with something else.